we
now
are.
you got a movie going on there now, so you should be playing.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Dad. Happy birthday to you. Yep. That's why they don't let me in the church choir, because I can't sing.
December 8th, 2007, 85th birthday.
85th birthday.
This is going to be a test cut of this the new buck saw after it's been repaired. I got a couple of pieces of 2x4. I don't have any logs, so I'll use this. Makes a pretty good cut, and I cut down the set of the thing so it doesn't make such a wide curve in the board. Here, I'll show you some of the stuff I've turned out of those wet fir logs there. Some of them are just a small thing like that. I turn it. And another kind here, a little different shape, tall, and here's another one there, a little different shape there. And just depends on how much wood I got. And here's a little scrap piece I had, and I just turned a small one. Then we get into some of the bigger ones. I put a different shape on it, a curve, and the flat on the inside. It's got some knots there, adds a little character. There's another one. The wood was a little bit more shallow, so it wasn't as high bold, but I still got a little detail in there that shows it. And here's was a lucky, there was a big piece there. Even though it's got a lot of knots and stuff in it, and we'll see how it all finishes up when we get it varnished and so forth. See how it dries when if it gets any cracks or anything. Here's another one there, but this one, the grain goes crosswise there. And we'll see how that works out. So, after they dry a little bit, I've been able to sand it then. But these other ones are going to go in a brown bag, and then they'll dry out slowly so they don't check and crack. And after they get dry, then I can sand them. Because when there's wet wood there, it just plugs up the sandpaper. It doesn't work out very good. Here are the pieces that I turned from that small pin oak log. Now here's two pieces that I cut off the log, both in the same place. One of them cracked, the other one didn't, and I don't understand what that was all about, why that happened. Here's another small piece where the branch went in there, and then it came out in two places. Then there's another old small dead branch there. Here's another piece that was a little further apart. There, the two of them are fairly close together. They're branched out over here. And here they're close together, and here they're far apart. And there you can see there's cut right down through that branch and through this branch. So this was a little taller piece, and the branch went, the grain went through that way, and it cracked down at the bottom, and I had to fill it in with wood filler. Up on the top here, it can shrink, and there's nothing to restrict it, so it didn't check. But down in here, when it tried to shrink, while the center part held it, so then you got a bunch of little cracks there that I had to fill up with plastic wood. So that's enough of that pin oak stuff. This is going to be a movie to show how the bucksaw works after I got it fixed up and sharpened. Just as proof that it'll work. So we'll give you a little demonstration here. See the way the sawdust comes flying out of there, it's doing a good job sawing. There, how's that? This is going to be a little movie of show you how the this wet wood will turn. To give you an idea how easy it is for it to turn. You can see it, them chips really come flying off there. This is kind of a bad piece. It's got a lot of knots and stuff in it, but it's still a pretty wet piece, and we'll see how it all turns out and how it dries out.